and to donate $5 for Isaac. Yeah. So if you do now, that means no, you do your hair.
It's so cool.
Yeah, because your hair is very nice. Okay. Do you choose the color yet or not? Okay, now we got a very good recording here.
Ah, wait. Give it to Shireen. I think this one is not.
I think Jonah, what
You know, I think Jonah wants big star. I'm gonna give you a big star.
Don't touch, you can't touch.
You donated $5.
Hey, I'm doing it. That's an experiment as well. Experiment. Get to try everything. Yep.
Oh my God, long time. Who's how much LCD?
Wow, listen. Jonah, can you show me your face, please?
Can you show them your face? Wow, long time represent.
Where are you? I cannot find you anymore. You are lost. Oh, we have to order here. Jonah, you need to order. Are you going to order?
No.
You don't want. What are you going to eat? 수산, 아tzen, 나 유니폼 됐잖아, 이제. Yeah, say something. How long is not enough?
We're just stalking people.
I think it's wow. Hi. Nói với đêm chú nào rửa đi mình lên xuống bộ tôi vừa thầm ra hết Australia Zophei community cup 잠깐 내가 이렇게 됐다 내가 말도 뛰면 못 하는 짓이 되는데 나 당근 한 개.
Well, maybe stop. Okay, next.
This is for
Don't take.
근데 친구한테 딴 시간 내고 와서 뉴스
우리 다 가상수.
오케이. 끝나는데 충분해. 좀 됐다.
아장아장아 상표에서 더 창득이니까.
이제 그때 두고 이제 미련.
두분 위크하다 동생이 해서 이.
잠깐만. 레이터. $10 only, around money for it. They prepare well.
Alright, next one. Let's go. I think we understand. Hey, Peter!
Let's see.
Smile.
Good items are. Now, let's see the price, Jonah. Can you check the price?
She cup for $5, sausage $5, mango chill with chili,
My
mixed fruit $10.
Upstairs of
Pork
pick
with
up
rice.
the other one.
$50.
$50, right, Peter? Have you seen this before?
Oh no, V became V $5. That's good. No,
That's
not
green.
bad. Coca-Cola $3.
Ah, no, do you want the water bottle?
That's cheap.
That's cheap. Dang it! I missed the camera shot. I missed it. Next football, we have to go to here. We don't. But my SD card is almost full.
No, it can't be.
Damn. Oh look, someone else is cool. Next. Wow, we need to go on that. Wow. Can we go next?
You know what?
No.
Hey, we are gonna interview her. No, you're
Ah.
so beautiful. Okay, now we are gonna interview. How do you think? You enjoy today?
Today,
Yeah?
yes, I'm feeling very grateful.
Yeah?
A lot of people.
Yeah?
Yeah, got no
Okay, are you prepared?
Yes.
Wow.
2 months.
Yeah. So, what is your expectation of winning? Is it volleyball or soccer or what?
I want to get soccer,
Yeah.
and soccer, and
So, you guys are combined with German. Oh.
we're not having fun.
Yeah, but I heard that in the rumors they said that you guys invited Nora.
Yes, to play with us.
Okay. So this year you well prepared. Yeah, I hope that you're winning, right?
How about you guys?
Yeah, I'm not sure. This is a long time boy.
What?
Are you preparing for anything?
No.
No. All right. Thank you.
I already interviewed.
Yeah. So you yeah.
Yeah, okay,
Thank
next
you.
go here.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, we need to go here.
So we need to interview someone again. Who's the best person to interview?
Don't go.
Maybe Milan or Lesta? Yeah. Okay, let's interview this girl.
Which one?
So what are you preparing? Do you think that you're gonna win this year?
I'm confident that my men's volleyball team will win.
Okay.
The first game against Cologne
Yeah.
in 2 sets.
All right.
Yeah.
So Yung Lang, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So especially girls. What about boys? Usually the boys are always the best player back in the country, back in Milan.
Well, the girls currently are still little kids,
Yeah.
so maybe 2 years time,
Okay.
we'll get better. We'll beat everyone.
Yeah. So this year is.
This year, we're just here to play for fun.
What about soccer for the boys?
They've been training a lot,
Yeah.
at like 4 times a week.
Okay.
So I'm hoping that we'll have a chance to win.
Yeah.
We'll be in the finals.
Yeah.
Just hope we win.
Okay. Sure. Yeah. Thank you for your interview. Right. Join us. So that's what you do. See, good. Yeah.